Welcome to our channel where we bring you the craziest, most exciting and sometimes painful videos of people trying new things for the very first time. Today is no different. Today we will be seeing men getting their first ever Brazilian waxing done. The looks on their faces when it's all said and done will definitely be something to see. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button if you haven't already, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First up is Marcus. Marcus has decided he wants to get his first wax ever because he is tired of shaving every week. He also says that he's pretty excited about it. It's not really clear if he's referring to the waxing or having a full-on Brazilian wax. Either way, he's sitting down in the wax room ready to go. The wax specialist asks Marcus if he's ever had a wax before. He says no. She then goes over the aftercare instructions, which include not putting any product on the skin for 24 hours, no tight clothing for 3 days, and to sleep in loose clothing for the next few nights. Marcus now lays down on the bed. The wax specialist gets everything set up and explains what she's going to do. She lets him know that there are 2 choices for pain relief. There is an option to use her special cream that numbs the area, or he can opt for an ice pack. Marcus decides to go with the ice pack, which we all know is probably going to hurt more. The wax specialist takes the ice pack and rubs it all over Marcus's man bits for about a minute or so. This is supposedly to numb the area and help with the pain. The wax specialist then starts applying the hot wax. Marcus starts to make some weird noises as the wax is being applied. Was that supposed to come out? It almost sounds like he was letting one out, but I'm not quite sure. After the wax is applied, she then takes the cloth to remove it. The look on Marcus's face is priceless. He looks like he's in so much pain. We can tell he's trying to be brave. But this is definitely not going as planned. As the wax specialist continues removing the wax, Marcus's breathing becomes more intense. It honestly looks like he's about to pass out from the pain. Finally, the first strip is complete. Marcus looks like he's seen a ghost. His eyes are wide open, and he's sitting there in shock. Once he regains his composure, he lets everyone know that it's a little painful. That's an understatement if I've ever heard one. After the second strip is removed, we can see just how red and sore the skin is underneath. To say Marcus is feeling some type of way would be an understatement. The wax specialist continues on and removes the rest of the wax. She does one final touch-up and tells Marcus it's all done. It's time to wash the area with cold water. Marcus looks relieved as the cold water hits his skin. It's safe to say that this was a painful experience, but now that it's over, he can finally relax. He pulls down his shorts and we can see the results. He's completely smooth. In my opinion, it was totally worth it. Sure, it hurts like hell, but you don't have to shave for weeks to come. No. 2. We have Anthony. Anthony says he's never gotten a wax before, but he's done a lot of research and knows what to expect. I think he's a little too confident here. He might be in for a world of hurt. Anthony lays down and the wax specialist starts to apply the ice pack to his man bits. Unlike Marcus, Anthony seems to be enjoying the ice pack. He even makes a joke saying it's the best part of his day so far. I guess everyone reacts differently to the ice pack. This could end up being a very awkward conversation. Anthony's wax specialist tries to make small talk by asking him why he decided to get a Brazilian wax. He responds by saying he wanted to try something new. Small talk fails. The wax specialist moves on and applies the wax. Anthony lets out a loud gasp as soon as the wax hits his skin. You can tell immediately this is not going well. The wax specialist goes to remove the wax and Anthony lets out a huge scream. It sounds like he's in so much pain. This has to be the most dramatic reaction I've seen so far. He looks like he's about to pass out from the pain. Finally, the wax is removed. Anthony looks like he's in shock. He takes a deep breath and slowly starts to relax. Another successful wax removal. This guy's balls were so big though, that they couldn't fit in the picture. It's not often that you get to see things like this on camera. Anthony's wax specialist lets out a giggle as she struggles to remove the excess hair around his private parts. Finally, she's able to get everything cleaned up and he's smooth back there. After the wax is done, Anthony looks at the camera and says, "Never again." He then walks out of the room with a slight limp. I wonder if it's in pain or if he's embarrassed about how he reacted. Either way, it's a hilarious moment to see on camera. No. 3 is Ryan. Ryan is getting a wax for the first time because he's sick of shaving. He says that it should be pretty quick because he doesn't have a lot of hair down there. Let's hope he's right. Ryan lays down and the wax specialist applies the ice pack. For once, the ice pack isn't the worst part. Ryan says that he thinks this might be easier than he thought. I'm not so sure. This could easily change once the wax starts to be applied. Ryan's wax specialist gives him a warning that the wax will be hot. He says he understands and is ready for it. The wax is applied and Ryan stays quiet for a second. He then says, "That's actually not bad. I think Ryan might be right. This wax might be a piece of cake for him." The wax specialist removes the cloth and Ryan lets out a sigh of relief. He makes a funny face as if to say, "Finally." Looking at his reaction, I'd say it wasn't too bad. He's still laying there, so it didn't hurt too much. As the wax specialist continues to wax away, Ryan starts to doze off. I guess all that anxiety was for nothing. He is definitely falling asleep here. I'm a little jealous. How is he able to fall asleep during a Brazilian wax? Ryan wakes up and the wax specialist lets him know she's almost finished. He looks a little embarrassed for falling asleep, but she assures him that it happens all the time. Everyone falls asleep during their wax. She finishes up and Ryan sits up. He takes a deep breath and relaxes. He looks at the camera and says, "Not as painful as I thought." Ryan's Brazilian wax was a success. And last but not least is George. George says he's getting a Brazilian wax for the first time because he's tired of shaving. He's been wanting to try it for a while, but was too nervous. I don't know why he was nervous, it's not that big of a deal. George lays down and the wax specialist applies the ice pack. He winces slightly as the ice touches his skin. I'm not sure if it was really painful or if he was just acting. George's wax specialist begins the process of applying the wax. She warns him that it'll be hot, and he says he's ready. As she applies the wax, we can see that he's starting to get a little nervous. The wax is removed and George looks like he's in pain. His face turns red and he starts breathing heavily. It looks like he's struggling to keep himself from screaming. Thankfully, he's able to hold it together. I'm not sure if this wax was more painful than the others, but it definitely seemed like it. George's whole body is tense, which makes me think it was not a good experience. Finally, the wax is done. George looks at the camera and says, "I hate it," in a very monotone voice. He then walks out of the room. The look on his face says it all. I don't think he'll be doing this again anytime soon. And there you have it, folks. For guys for very different reactions to their first ever Brazilian wax. Which reaction was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video. Thanks for watching.